I'm Caleb, the Transit Kid, and today we're going to show you a trip on the Sounder from Seattle to Edmonds. This is the Seattle to Everett Sounder schedule. Here we go. This is an elevator. We're going to go down to the platform and get on the northbound train to towards Everett. Down here, this is actually called King Street Station. Over to the left is the center southbound to Lakewood, and then over there on the right, which we're getting on right now, is the one going towards Everett. There's the one going to Lakewood leaving. Now we are going to go upstairs onto the second level of the train. Train number 1706 at 5:35 is when we leave Seattle. And there's also the Amtrak trains, which only stop at certain stations. They do not stop at Mukilteo. Numbers 517, 518, and 519. Anyway, we just skipped ahead on the train ride. It'd usually be 33 minutes long, but here we are arriving at Edmonds. Make sure you tap your Orca card after you get off the train. There goes the Sounder, heading off towards Everett. It's a 3-car train. Most of the ones going to Lakewood are way more than 3 cars because it's a longer route. A bunch more stops. Thank you for watching Transit Kid, and hope the next video I will probably be about the Link Light Rail.